There is currently mass panic going on in the market, and you may be thinking to yourself, is it time to sell or should I buy more? Well, I'm here to explain what part of the cycle we're in and what we can look forward to. Hello everybody, and welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Compass, your guide to everything crypto. Today I'm gonna dive into the sentiment of the market and exactly what's going on with these low prices. We have seen a steady decline in the majors like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and of course this has affected the overall market. We are currently seeing altcoins that are down 60 to 70%, and Bitcoin has been down ever since it made an all-time high and the Bitcoin ETF was released. Now I know you all may be thinking this is time to panic and this cycle is over. Well, I'm here to tell you that that is not true. I still truly believe that we are in the middle of the cycle and we still have a ways to go. And normally the second half of the cycle is the biggest amount of gain. And that goes for these majors and also these altcoins. One indicator that I like to focus on is the fear and greed index. And that shows the sentiment in the market now. And historically, if the sentiment is at fear, then you want to buy, and if the sentiment is at greed, then you want to sell. And currently we're sitting at fear and we were sitting at greed just a few months ago. And during these crypto bull run cycles, we tend to have big dips just like this. We see corrections of an average of 20 to 30%, but maybe some of them go as deep as 40%. And I'm talking about Bitcoin specifically because these other coins usually fall harder. But of course, there's always coins that outperform. And another thing to notice is that after the Bitcoin halving, we usually have at least 2 years of bullishness. And we just had the halving earlier this year. So based on that metric, we haven't even seen a full year of this cycle. And to top that off, we also have an Ethereum ETF coming this month and also maybe a Solana ETF coming soon. So this is just proof that the institutions are coming in and retail will follow soon. And normally that translates to higher prices. Also, if you look at previous cycles, you can see that we're getting longer cycles but less return. So if we compare that back to 2020 when we had the previous halving and the bull cycle, you can see that we had a gain of about 20x from the lows to the highs of Bitcoin over the span of about 2 years. So based on that information, we can make an educated guess about this cycle, and we can say that Bitcoin will maybe do a 10x in the span of 3 years. And if that's the case, then this cycle won't end until 2027. And honestly, that could be accurate because we're getting a lot of bullish momentum even in the stock market. We could also see an interest rate cut by the Federal Reserve this year itself. It seems like a lot of these stars are lining up and this could truly be a shakeout. But if you've been in this space a long time, then you know that you should just hold through this price action. And even looking at the technical analysis, we can see a lot of trends that are flipping bullish. And this is comparing it to previous cycles and also looking at a shorter time frame. And jumping back to the stock market, the S&P continues to make new all-time highs. And historically, when this happens, the S&P continues to go up. It's normally a while before it tops out. And you should also take into consideration that US elections are coming up this year. So we could be bullish leading into that event. Now, another indicator that I want to highlight is the altcoin season index. And this basically shows you if it's Bitcoin season or altcoin season. Currently, we're sitting at the lows in this chart at Bitcoin season. And that means that Bitcoin is outperforming all these altcoins and the rest of the market. But if you look at the Bitcoin dominance and the trend, you can see that that's flipping soon. So we may see a reversal soon and maybe an altcoin season. And that would mean that these smaller altcoins and even these meme coins could go parabolic. So now could be a great time to get in. And of course, this is not financial advice, but if you're confused and you're looking for a play, then you should join my Discord channel. I'm posting plays on there every single day, and I'm giving out my alpha so you guys can make some profit. So go ahead and follow the link in the description below to join today. And if that's not enough and you need additional help, then you should join my coaching program. I can sit down with you one-on-one and break down every single one of these altcoins, meme plays, or even Bitcoin and Ethereum. I will run through everything you you need on a personal level so you can grow in the crypto space. My goal is to teach you so you can become a trader yourself. And as far as the overall market, I know that it looks bleak, but you have to keep an open mind. This is normally how crypto goes, and we have trends of down and up. But if you're able to withstand this downward pressure, then you will be rewarded when we go back up. One thing to remember is patience. That's the name of the game. And don't forget, I'm putting videos out like this every single week. So if you like what you're seeing, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell button so you don't miss another one of my videos. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.